Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how we make carrot seed tape.
The first things you will need to make the seed tape is you will need single ply toilet paper, some way of measuring,
Preferably a yardstick.
some paintbrushes, some carrot seeds, a Sharpie to mark the spots, and then you have to make a glue. And for the glue, we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of flour to 3 tablespoons of water. Then you just mix that together.
Once you get started mixing, it should become this like doughy consistency. Kind of like this.
And you do need to be a little generous when applying it. So now that we have everything ready, the first thing you will do is lay out a stretch of toilet paper. First thing you have to do is lay out a stretch of toilet paper.
Skip
We make ours pretty short because it's easier to work with them in the long run. The next thing you do is you fold the toilet paper in half to find the middle. And it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, it just has to give you a rough estimate.
Now that we're done with that, we're just going to take the yardstick, put it somewhat in one of the halves, either side, doesn't matter, just one of the halves. Put this on one end so that we like to do ours an inch apart so then we can mark the dots.
Now that we have our dots marked, we can take the glue and use our paintbrushes and start dabbing them on one by one. You have to be a little generous to get some pretty big blobs because otherwise it dries up too fast and your seeds won't stick to them. Now we just keep at this and try to make sure the blobs, like, you don't make a mess of it because otherwise your toilet paper gets ripped. Now that we have all our blobs, we can start putting our carrots onto them. We do 1 seed per blob.
They don't need to be completely buried, just enough so that they stick.
Now that we have our seeds in the tape, we can start applying some glue to the outer edge.
We don't want to put too much so that it like deteriorates the toilet paper, but you want to put enough so that it sticks very well.
So just a small line across the edge of one side.
And don't forget to go up the edges. Now we're going to fold it over evenly so that the toilet paper is over itself, touching the other side of the flour that we just put on.
Then you have to go over one by one and pat down where the seeds were to make sure they stay in place.
Now once you're done with all that, it should look somewhat like this. Now we're going to let that dry and then we can roll it up once it's done.
Now we just repeat the process. Hey guys, welcome back. It has been about an hour and now our strips are completely dry. So we are just going to lay them in the box and save them for future using. And they are ready to go.
So here's our final project, and as you can see, it's just nice and dried. And now it's ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.